Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.
Hello, I'm Andrew Lately with your Business Bites.
Head of Business Transformation and Innovation IT at National Commercial Bank Jamaica Test for Roads says NCB is working with the relevant stakeholders to ensure that once JamDex is launched, it will be free to the public. He was speaking at a recent Jamaica Observer business webinar.
At this point in time, I do not anticipate any costs in accessing the application. Certainly for NCB and Link in particular, the application can be downloaded for free. We do anticipate, because it's technology based, and it does require network connectivity to be operational. We are working closely with the BOJ to ensure that data service requirements are not a part of what is required to use the solution.
And the Bank of Jamaica is clarifying that JamDex is not being launched to compete with cash. Division Chief for the Financial Markets Infrastructure Division at the Central Bank, Dr. Novlet Panton, said JamDex is intended to complement cash.
We do not want to set up an antagonistic relationship between cash and JamDex or cash and CBDC. We know that the convenience of always having liquid funds, and liquid funds, what we're talking about, the money in terms of the money, currency in circulation, notes and coins, that's a convenience. Persons want that. But at the same time, the advantage of us wanting that, we do not want to be saying that cash is king all the time. Cash, as we said before, cash and CBDC will complement each other. Cash is just another form. The Bank of Jamaica introduces CBDC as another means of payment.
And those are your Business Bites. I'm Andrew Lately.
Business Bites, powered by Sagicor.